So, hi. We I didn't came. Sorry for not coming on. Sorry, yesterday, day before yesterday, I guess. Yeah, it's was going through a lot of things here, personal things. So today I got a chance to be online, and I guess today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will be online for a London session and New York session too. On Friday, I don't won't be on the New York session, I guess. Yes, but for the London station, we are going to look for it. So this is the Indian stock. I was researching it yesterday to research a lot of stocks. And technical chart perspective instruments. But I have some another. Then we can enter for a longer target area to hit. So that's somehow from here and there. So no worries about it. So our let's start with our sorry for another disturbance because I guess there is a wedding going around for my of my neighbor's son or some son. So there might be it might be nuisance for us. My PC got hang again. Let's wait. We came on gold now. Looking for 1 hour. And then here we will see for too much hang, man. Too much hang. Too much hang. Too much hang. Don't read it, name, man. Come on. So yeah, 5 minutes. This is 1 hour. So I was waiting for this blue line to get the liquidity for 4 hour daily chart on the daily chart basis. Yeah, this was drawn in here by on June 5th, 14th or something. Came back and gone for this liquidity. So for the higher time frame, yeah, it took liquidity and went up, but didn't went up as per we expected. So 15 minutes, it again went down and now it's riding for our to to break our supply zone. 5 minute supply zone. So 5 minute supply zone would be this, as you can see in the impulse move here. This hanging so much, man. So yeah, this it took the liquidity zone and Asian low. We called liquidity only. Wherever we see a very nice week, it's just a liquidity, man. It took a Asian low and it's now moving for to break the supply zone. I am hoping that it gets break this by this level. this level, and I guess we missed the entry or what? Did we? Let's check on 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame, we got a very nice supply. Oh my god. So this was a liquidity, this was a liquidity, this was a liquidity, and this was a supply. But it didn't came, so we'll wait for 5 minutes only. So let it be. Let this market go and break this level. After that, we will look for 5 minutes retracement for our entry, and it will shoot us towards our target, which would be 1:1. So we will definitely wait for it. Sorry, this is not we entered. We will enter here when it will come this level. So look at this chart, look at this candle way around, how it's forming. Let this candle break this white arrow, right? After that breaking, it should go a little bit more upward and then come back for this level, and then again it will go on. Target would be 1:1, 5 points, basically 50 pips. Stop loss would be same, so we'll wait for it. So this would be our today's trade idea for the gold, because I can see some liquidity around here, so it might go up for this level. And I told you that I was looking for this level to get break. It did break on the Asian session, but then again move forward, but didn't almost go above the supply zone. But you know, sometimes when it's not at the specific time, or maybe at a specific time, it creates a very fake break of supply. So whatever the impulse move happened, that would be getting triggered by purged by the latest move, and then from them we can see it. So alternative for this trade idea would be, this would be a supply zone, this break of structure happen, and then it will go back again to the downside, right? So this will be the alternative way. It sees a reaction and then it will go back to the this area and to get a target. This will be the textbook for a supply demand trade idea, like break of structure and then create a supply demand and then this. But I am hoping that this is the liquidity it took, and hoping to get this upper movement rather than going downside movement. I know SMC trader would be like, no, this is supply, this is the liquidity, this would be the supply zone, and then we can do downside for a trade. Yeah, I can agree with you guys, but it's the way I am trading right now. I know that if it's break this level, my arrow level, and then only I will see for the upper side level, not right now. So it's just an idea I created right away. So don't go for this, let it break this white arrow, then only you take a trade. Till then, just if you want to take as a SMC trader, take, man. I am not here to tell you no, don't do this and don't do that. If you are, you do it. But what I am doing, it's what I have experienced a lot on this trade strategy. So I'm going to stick with my strategy rather than any other person's strategy. I have been with a lot of strategies, man. Trust me, I have worked with a lot of strategies. Do you want to know how much strategy I went with? I'm not considering these indicator based strategies. After that, with the SMC and all the stuff, I used to capture 1:10 trades, but it never shows me very, what we say, nice profit streak, but always a losing streak, and that makes you very weak on a psychology level, and then you fall in a trap and blow your account. So that's the way I am right now. I am just looking for very stringent, like very 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 standard. So these are my strategies. Come on. This is so hanged up. So these are my strategies. Look at the golden AB15, AB9, AB1. So AB50, AB1, AB9, AB7. AB7 is good. AB wake off, AB balance, MC, yellow, AB7, POV, trend line move. Lot of strategies, man. Lot of strategies. Every other it works, but and it's crazy to have that thing. So this is how I study myself. And there is a lot of journals around here. Do you want to see how many files I have in my studies? Total out. Too many nights. Too many nights I have done this. See, from 2022 September. This is just the data I started to create it, but before long back there was a lot of data also. I didn't screenshot and saved. So these was my all journals. See, look at those journals, man. Every other perspective, and these are the some strategies I pasted around here also. So that's how it works. So give it the time, you will always end up in a very around, nice way. So yeah. लेट्स सी यूरो यूएसडी मैं ज़्यादा ट्रेड नहीं करता हूँ, पहले करता था बट इट रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ it takes a lot of commissions and not spread but commission compared to gold. So I shifted to gold, man. Come on, gold is way good. Euro is also good. I like it. I like it. Every other time you will see very nice SMC things happen here. See, even on this 15 minutes, you saw our strategy to work. This was the demand zone. It broke. This was the liquidity. It broke, and then again from this impulse move to this, you got this entry and then target here. Aram se. Although in euro you will get a 1 is to 3.5 at least around like this, you know. If you enter here, you got this level, and here you will get 1 is to 3.5 or something. I'm waiting for 1 is to 3.5. Yeah, at this level it should go, but let's see. I studied it, yeah, 1 is to 3.5 with a lot of increase. Sorry, it increases your target. Oh, sorry, what we say, winning ratio, but the thing is with this 1 is to 2 and 1 is to 3, 1 is to 2 is also okay. I'm stating you that if you get a very nice strategy with any time indicator or best indicator best, if you it working for you, it's giving you 1 is to 2 with a moving average, crossover, or RSI or stochastic or MACD or whatever. If it's working, do it forward test, do it back test, because those are just indicators, so you can do it back test on a very time based on, and then one and then 1 is to 2 is you getting. I'm telling you, this will be the killer for you. I tried a lot, but I didn't got the tools for doing those for a specific time period. Somehow some person it might work, so give a try for it also. I'm not saying that this is my strategy, you have to work on this only. No, 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 no. Whatever strategy you feel for, you got an edge, you can do it. Trust me, there is no one in this industry that can tell you that yeah, this works 100%. No one, no one, no freaking one. Even a George Soros or even a that Medellin guy, he even can't just tell you that this strategy works and this and not, because every other person they have a very nice risk management or some another trade and they made a lot of money out of it, and then they try to make into investments, and then they give a 5 to 10% of their money on the trading stuff. Not every person can go for a long term consistency basis. Obviously, if you make a lot of money from a trading in a very one night journey, maybe you got lucky, or maybe there are a person that they struggle for 5 years 10 years to get that one night journey, and they once they did happen, and then they try to go for a very long term and very nice way around investment strategy where you can just reduce your risk and the tension around, because trading requires a lot of brain power, and spending a lot of brain power just while sitting, it burns a lot of calories also. So I feel like it's more of giving too much to the brain. So making out of trading, once you make it, then do it another way around, like go for investments thing, do another projects, and then get money from that side, do investment in angels startups as angel investors, and then you can find a very nice tools, and the trading would be side by side. If you feel like to chase the market, and you can go it for it with a very less amount of money, so you can even keep yourself as a sane while in the market. But don't make sure that all the time you are going to trade. No, man, I have settled it down. Once I made some amount, specific amount, then I am not waiting. I'm going going for another way to for a career investments things. So yes, this was a gym for today. Gym, Gym talks, Gym talks. We are doing Gym talks. GB, USD. No movements on USD pair last 2 days. USD CAD. This happens in Asian session. You know what? Why in Asian session sometimes it gives a very nice volatility? Because I have not ever studied it, but sometimes not. I'm never gone in a very deep study of it. Why it gives this and that. But somehow Canada and Australia holds a lot of gold mines out there. So Australia opens in Asian level, Asian time, Tokyo, Australia. So that time it gives a very, and nowadays even Tokyo, Japan, Japanese yen is falling also. So maybe that also one of the reason. Volatility comes from anywhere, man. Okays. Okay, we came here. Huh? Almost touched our. So yeah, you can take this. Now it's touching this area. You can literally enter it because I'm gonna enter it. So you do enter or not enter. I don't mind it, but I'm just telling you I am gonna enter. I'm gonna risk 1% for this trade because this is the liquidity and this thing. I go for 2% for this trade, but 1% is fine, man. 5 wins, 250, 500. Yep, got my quantity sorted out for 1% and just waiting for the market to reach for that area. So I will do a market execution on that level. Yes. See, even on the live also, I am like hoping for it that it's a market execution, but you got the level way before, at least 5 minutes before, so you can just enter at your pace. Doing this live stream just to give the education what I've learned, what I paid, and just giving back. How much I know and not. If this trade goes haywire, like it, if it, what we say, if it hits stop loss, then wait for it. You can get an entry in a 1 minute, I guess. If you get 1 minute, then do the same risk and just get out at a B level, or else close the chart, close your chart. You will feel okay.